Hey, happy Wins Wednesday. I'm Paula Williams with ABCI, and if you have been following us for any length of time, you know that some of the ideas that we get for marketing for aviation companies come from other industries. And some of the mastermind groups for marketers that we belong to in the finance industry and the entrepreneurial space and other places are doing something kind of fun that we thought would be helpful in aviation. And what that is Canva templates for Instagram posts, Facebook posts, LinkedIn posts, Twitter posts, things like that. So a lot of people are doing a lot more social media over the last year, because of the pandemic. They started dipping their toe into social media and deciding this is actually a pretty profitable way to find new customers and to get new customers to come to you. And some of these you can use as boosted posts, targeting specific individuals and other things, and just to keep their social media fresh and to have some new material on there. It gets to be kind of a drag, if you have to come up with these all the time, come up with new ones. So what a lot of these marketing professionals are doing in their space is coming up with some Canva templates that they are distributing to their clients so that they can customize their own work, customize some posts and things like that, change anything they want to about them, and reuse them, multiple times by changing some of the specifications or adding a specific promo deal or something like that. So we decided to try the same thing for our marketing lab. And I want to know what you think, especially if you're in our marketing lab, or if you have an interest in being in our marketing lab, if this is something that's appealing to you. And I'm going to show you how this works.